Getting shot at.
I don't even see him.
Oh, from northwest.
Oh, right here, bro.
Oh my fuck.
Broke his shield. Knocked it.
Nice.
Die. Don't worry.
Oh god.
You ever seen this before?
Oh, you got the other one also. Okay.
You ever seen anything like this before?
Yes.
Oh, I need this.
Oh yeah. No! Leave me alone! I'm wasting all my mats because of this dude.
Nice shot. Nice shot.
That was actually so good. Oh, if I
That's
had
right on.
here? What the?
He's dead. There we go.
Nice.
Nice.
So I
I
lagged
did
the
not know
moment
he
I
was
did-
right there.
I lagged the moment I decided.
Knocked one. God damn it.
Knocked him.
You got him?
Yep.
Here, Jordan. Use this keg.
Is there someone else? I have fire.
Yeah, probably.
Child.
Hey Max, we were talking about how they should add Eminem to Fortnite.
Oh. there
Oh,
is
fuck
someone else.
yeah.
Oh.
Cranking 90s is Eminem. Yeah.
I'm so confused.
It's on Robert's left, I think.
They're like straight in front.
And then straight ahead, yeah. That.
Oh, right there.
Oh.
Knocked him.
Nice. So it's just one guy, thank God.
Actually, I have Coke in the fridge. It sounds really good. Do you see them?
Yeah, they're on the road.
Oh, here they are.
Nice.
Baddies. He has a rifle.
I think they're slightly. We don't have to go,
We're like
but we
right
can
up
like.
here, so.
Yeah. They're pushing up to them. This is ideal.
Should I mean, I have like. I can see.
Shoot at them if you
perfectly.
can.
I headshot. I knocked him. Eliminated. You got the other one. Eliminated. You got the other one. Why am I so...
It's us versus this last person.
Oh, perfect. There we go.
Did Meowsel get him?
No, I got him.
Oh, okay. Oh, that okay. Whew. I was like,